No problem at all up the hard line for the fully solid axle 80 series.
Let's go on the harder one. Nice.
Well, g'day everybody, Steve from Mudduck's 4-wheel drive touring. Another episode of Toyz. Today we've got an 80 series Landcruiser, the 91 model. I'm not going to tell you too much about it, but I'm going to let you talk to the bloke who owns it. Pat, come and say hello.
Steve-o.
How are you, mate?
Good stuff.
Good. Tell us about your truck, mate. We'll get right into it. What year model is it? What motor's in it? Go from that.
91 80 series Landcruiser 1HZ. Yeah? No, 1HZ. 1HDT.
1HDT.
Yeah.
Factory turbo.
Yeah. Which had a rebuild, probably 4 years ago now.
4 years? Oh,
The
yeah.
old man drove it a bit harder than I did.
Oh, yeah, you got to watch out for these old blokes. They're rough with the gear. Anyway, buddy, you've seen 80 series before, so we'll go into what's on the front, mate.
Facebook special, Bubba. I think it's a Tigers 11.
Oh, yeah?
Picked it up. Either I think I got it for $100 with the
Prop.
9-inch King spotties and just your factory lights.
No winch?
No winch yet.
One coming?
Yeah, the next few weeks.
Okay, cool.
It was a GMA aerial.
GB UHF. No bash plates or anything underneath it yet, though?
Nah,
Alright.
none others yet.
Alright, well, we're camping at the present, guys, so it's all set up camping. So Pat's got solar set up on here. Is that that's into a special plug on the bull bar, isn't it?
The Anderson plug straight into the second battery.
Ah, that's a good idea. Oh, we'll go to the side. What wheels and tyres, mate? What have we got on there?
The 33 Cooper ST Maxes on it. They're an alright tyre. Haven't had a problem with them yet.
Yeah, they're pretty good. I don't mind them. I've run the sit myself. They go alright. What about these?
They're my rock sliders that I built
You made them yourself?
in-house, yeah.
Nice.
Tested them out a few times.
And they hold the weight of the car?
Yeah, very good actually.
Awesome. And,
Being an 80 series, the exhaust is always in the way, and that's a big problem making them.
ah, right, yeah. Yeah, they're a bit of a nuisance, aren't they? And how big's your lift? Have you got a body lift in it or anything?
It's got a 2-inch body lift in it with a 2-inch suspension lift in the front, and then in the back it's got the same 2-inch body lift but with a 4-inch suspension lift on.
Oh, okay.
400 rated coils.
400 kilo.
Yeah.
Awesome. And the wheels, they're just what, just an old steely of some description?
Yeah, an old Steely. I think they're a 16 by 8. 8, yeah, 16 by 8 rim.
Alright. I'll go post one out. There we go. Alright, and what's the roof rack? Looks like nothing
Just
special.
an aluminium roof rack off the Patrol.
Oh, for patrol.
Has the spacers in it.
Ah, cool. That works. And oh, you got the Safari snorkel, I see.
Safari snorkel.
Awesome. Well, that's probably all we need on this side here. What have we got at the back, mate?
Got a Aussie off-road rear bar.
Oh, yeah.
Tyre swing arm. And then made myself up a little one jerry can holder.
Oh, single jerry, cool.
Yeah.
What have you done here, mate? You made a workbench out of it.
Put a bit of alley panel on it to cook on, work off, hold stuff, clean, neat, no carpet.
Nice. These drawers, these look custom.
Yeah, these were built by the old man before I bought it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Waco fridge. All doing the job, or you got any plans to change it around or leave it like that?
Probably going to change to the Tritons. Just don't need that anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Don't need that was built for a reason. And
Yeah. So you're going for like a side-by-side or something?
yeah, side by side fridge on top.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, compressor hidden in there. Oh, very good. What do you got up here, mate? A King's awning or something?
King's on and keep myself covered when it rains for the cooking. And be out of the sun.
Nice.
During the day if you want to make lunch.
Look at this. Hang on. What do I spot here? This looks a bit sick. What do you got there?
12-inch pioneer.
5 some. Young blokes. Gotta have the cheers. All good. Now, I nearly missed it. I don't know how I nearly missed it. It looks like bloody Home Hardware blue or something. It's a miniature shovel. What a neat idea. Just on a normal shovel mount on the spare wheel carrier. So if you can't find a space for a big one, get a little one. Pat's got a big one and a little one. Spooky. What else? Just normal storage, just any bits and bobs in there. Where the seats live. Very good.
First aid kit.
Aha. Holy crap, that's a big first aid kit. How's that? A first aid kit for your car. That works for me. Triple drill system. I like that. But like you said, it's going to get a change. We'll do an update on this down the track, I reckon. On this tailgate here, couple of LEDs by the look of it. They'd be pretty bright, wouldn't they? Yeah. Oh. Aha, I found the switch. Pat keeps disappeared, I'll be. There we go, look at that. They're nice and bright. I reckon I know the bloke who might have helped wire those up, maybe. What else we got? Normal recovery hitch in the bar there. What's that, another Kings or?
Nah, it's a Tiger.
Tigers. That's not one that some maniac sold you, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll watch those blokes. I might have sold him that. What else we got? Let's have a look in the engine bay. There's the motor. Oh, we've been out running around in the bush, so it's a bit dusty. So what have we got? That's the
second battery setup, deep cycle.
Whatever.
No clue what it is. I think it's just a battery.
It's a battery.
And you got your main battery over there.
Start.
Trying to run nothing off it.
What do you got for isolation?
We've got the red arc isolator over
here.
just
the smart solenoid. These old school, so they don't need DCs.
Nah, getting old.
That's it.
Nothing really important under here.
Yeah.
Got a K&N air filter in there.
I love K&Ns.
Typical 80 problem.
Yeah. This is an 80 series. See this? They leak from the power steering like there's no tomorrow. Anyway, that's life. You fix them up. Hang on, what are these?
Air horns.
Are they loud?
Probably not.
Let's not hit them, that'd be scary. Otherwise, just stocko 1HDT, eh?
With a 3-inch Stano on it though.
Oh, 3-inch exhaust.
Yeah, 3-inch.
Forgot to talk about that.
Yeah.
What brand is that? Any special one or?
Nah, it's all custom by a shop.
Oh, okay, cool. Does the job. Right, going to the inside. Oh, this looks specky. What do we got here?
XR seats on here because the 80 series seat are not comfortable at all.
They look nice.
Easy to fit.
I'm going to sit in those in a second.
What else have we got in here? I've got a Kenwood head unit to run that doofy sub.
Oh yeah.
An old United UHF.
Uniden?
Uniden's having a few problems though.
Oh, it's pretty old.
On its way out. And
cheap these days.
Phone mount. Sometimes film some stuff.
Fair enough.
Other than that, in here's not too special.
I'm going to check out these seats. I haven't sat in this yet. These seats are just so much better than 80 series seats. I had an 80 and I can tell you this is way nicer. What else have we got to look at? Not much in there yet.
No, nothing there.
So Pat, what's your main plan for this? Is it a toy or is it going to be a touring wagon or?
More touring wagon. Restoring it, getting it back to good condition.
Right, because bloke had it before, he was pretty rough with the gear, wasn't he?
Yeah, just a bit.
Yeah, you got to watch him. So.
Just trying to fix it up.
Yeah, it all looks the business though. But it's still going. It's amazing. Factory roof console, LED upgrades in the interior lights. It's pretty well what you need.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. High tech bit of gear there. Look at this.
That always points south.
The compass that always points south. Outstanding. In the style of the famous Ronnie Dale and various others, bit of a questions and answers. So Pat, how long you had this now?
I've had it a year.
A year?
Yeah.
Obviously second hand and a bit different to what it is these days.
Yeah, just a bit. Bought it with all the lift and stuff done, but since I've had it, done fresh tyres, bar work, Yeah, all the bar work,
cool.
awnings.
So, apart from knowing where it came from, what made you want an 80? Did you always want an 80, or did you think about other trucks, or you have other trucks? What did you have before this? Or?
Before this, I had a Hilux. Drove like a snail. But now I always wanted an 80. And the old man's truck, Steve's 80.
Yeah, cool.
These were massive.
They are a good thing. This thing I know for a fact used to have 35s on it, and it's back to 33s because when he bought it, he was a young bloke. Less attraction for the cops. What else? Future plans? Apart from the draw system you've mentioned, what else do you like to do to it?
Just started designing up a front bar to go on it. Gonna build that all up myself.
Got similar style or a comp bar? Or?
Nah, more comp bar, trying to get it higher up.
Okay,
with a
yeah.
winch mount and get it nice looking.
Nice.
But I don't want it to be tubes. I hate tubes.
Fair enough.
But
But you can make that yourself, can't you?
yeah, I'll do all that myself.
And that's because you do what?
I'm a boilermaker by trade.
Boilie.
Yeah.
Good bloke to know.
I'm probably going to swap out the 2-inch in the front for a 3-inch. Just give it a bit more height, and don't want to affect the weight too much when I put a trailer on it. Other than that, I've got really no big plans for it.
Just use it.
Just use it and abuse it.
I've seen this off-road a few times and it does well. I've got some footage of it we'll show you at some stage. Okay, we all do this. Your 3 favourite modifications, whether you've bought them, they were on it already, you made them, whatever, your 3 favourite mods.
Your rear bar, your slider and your awnings.
Yeah, you've got to have awnings when you're camping. Absolutely. Now, okay, if somebody else wanted to buy a second-hand 80 series, what would you suggest they look out for? Good things, bad things? What's its points? Has it got any inherent faults?
Check for the cracked chassis at the power steering box. Big one, easy to miss.
Yep.
But give it a good clean check, that's all good. Yeah, leaking, that's about it.
Yeah. No real rust issues?
I haven't had rust issues.
No, yours has been pretty good.
Yeah. It's not a patrol.
Yeah, true. It's not a patrol. I like patrols, guys. I used to have one. But yeah, Toyz. What else have we got? Anything else that I've missed, Kaz? Fuel capacity. What's its fuel capacity and its range?
I think it's 270 litres of fuel, and I can get like nearly 2,000 k's out of it.
Cool, that's because you're not towing.
Yeah.
So that's 180 litre sub tank in the back.
Yeah, and a 90.
And a 90 in the front. Awesome. Towing you probably get maybe 1,500, I suppose. You're getting 2 grand now. Yeah. That's all good. Oh, you're building a camper trailer.
Yeah.
Are you build that yourself?
Yeah, built it all from scratch, other than the canopy. But yeah.
All right, buddy. Down the track when he's got it done, guys, might go around and video his whole camper trailer set up. I've seen parts of it. It looks like it should be something special. All right, well, I reckon that's pretty well wrapped it, mate. Thanks very much.
All good.
We'll catch you next time on another episode of Toyz. Cheers. And of course, there's always something we forget to talk about, so here it is now. This is the fuel tank. That used to say, well, you work it out, guys, what that said.